People asking on about website migration service of Hostinger, how you can do it. I mean, the process is very easy. All you have to do is you have to log in your account and get started with it. But before moving to the login page, I can suggest you that Hostinger is one of the funnest hosting companies around, with 4.6 rating on Trustpilot, 4.8 on Google, Host Advice rating at 4.5, and WP Beginner at 4.7. In case if you are looking for an amazing deal to buy through Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description like this. Plus use the coupon code which I have also mentioned in the description to enjoy amazing discounts while buying your hosting from Hostinger. Good luck. Now let's move on to the topic, and we are going to press the login button. Now here I am in the H panel of Hostinger. Hostinger have their own control panel with the name of H panel. You can see over here, and you can see that I can manage my hosting from over here. I will have to move over here. I am currently using business web hosting. Previously I was using premium web hosting. So you can see the plan over here, and now come over here. The WordPress installer is just on a click of a button, and you can see from here the website option. Go with select this plan, and you can see the third option of migrating website. 1 2 3, select this one, and here's how you can do migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company to Hostinger. You can see that one of my was rejected due to one of the plugin which was not supported, so I disabled that plugin because I was running out of space on my old hosting company, and when I deleted that plugin, the process was done. So what you have to do, you have to select the add request option over here. In case if you are coming from WordPress, in case if you're coming from cPanel, write the login details over here. In case if it's another control panel, write the URL, username, password, and submit the request, and their team will do it. So the process is very easy. Just select the add to cart option over here, and you can do it from here. How to fill a web migration request? The request details are above. Just fill with your username, password, or it's a cPanel. Select this one and write your cPanel URL, username, password. How long does it take to migrate a website? So website migration can take up to 48 hours, and my services with the previous provider are expiring soon. Can I ask for priority? All migrations are completed within 48 hours. Alternatively, you can download backup from your provider before the expiration of service. So ideally, it's a best strategy to opt even before they are expiring. And can I add a link with backups for you to migrate? Yes, please upload, and you can share with the Hostinger team as well, in case if you can download on your own. And in case if you are not able to download on your own, what you have to do is just submit the request with your username and password, and their team will do it, because I did it, and you can see that the process was easy for me, so which is why I recommend you guys to do it as well, and the process is very easy and quick. So yeah, in case if you're looking for Hostinger, make sure to click on the link in the description to enjoy amazing hosting from Hostinger. Good luck.